Let's talk about how to create a profitable video ad for your online course. What's going on? I'm Mike and I help online entrepreneurs like you not only create videos that look and sound great, but also get you great results. The links to anything that I mentioned will be in the description below. That includes gear or resources that's there for you that you can check out at the end of this video. So why create a video ad? Okay, so my business, if you follow me on Instagram, it's Michael Carl Moore. I don't have a huge following. Using Facebook and Instagram ads is a great way to reach more people than you could reach kind of organically on your feed. So I wanted to get more traffic to see my offer. I had a small, tiny offer. The offer was only $37, which was an amazing deal on this thing. It's called the Video Kickstart Kit. I had already validated the offer to my original audience, and so they loved it, which kind of gave me a little confidence to go, okay, let me spend some ads to this offer to see if other people would want to get this Video Kickstart Kit. Now, this video won't specifically go into how I set up my Facebook ads, but just know that I was running ads both to Facebook and Instagram. It was just a simple video ad that I created. If I can find the video again, I will post the video right here or a link to the video, or I'll just show it right now. Creating videos suck. It takes way too much time. You're wondering if you're making any sense at all. The quality just isn't there. And by the time you finally mustered up the courage to post that video online, it falls flat with zero engagement and sales. So how do you finally produce videos that turns viewers into customers? With the Video Kickstart Kit. Everything you need all in one place to help you get started in creating videos the right way. From video topic ideas to boost your authority, from knowing what to say and how to say it with confidence. And I package my 10+ years of filmmaking experience in a simple to understand process so that you can easily produce pro-looking videos even with no or limited lighting, location, or time. And I even give you custom Instagram video templates that you can simply drag your clips into so that your competition becomes a thing of the past. Swipe up and get your Video Kickstart Kit today. That's the video right there, and this is the result that I got from that video ad alone in just the first 32 days. So if you want to know how to create videos just like this and others like it, then I want you to attend my free masterclass. It's called How to Attract the Right Clients with Better Looking Videos Without Spending Hours Making It. The link is in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. Put your name and email, and you'll get instant access to watch that free training. It's completely free, $0.00 okay, so go ahead and check that out. It's for you. You can check it out now, or you could finish this video and see how and break down how I made this video, and then you can check out the masterclass afterwards. There's a lot that happens in the video, but there's certain things that I want to point out. I call them like ingredients, right? There's certain ingredients that the video must have, especially if you're going to a completely cold audience, which means they don't know who you are. They have no idea about you. They've never heard of you before. And someone like me had a small audience and they never heard of me before. So there's certain ingredients that you need to put in here that you want to make sure that your video has so that it becomes profitable like mine was. I'm going to point them out to you right now. The first one is positioning, okay? If they don't know who you are, then you've got to let them know who you are, right? Like, what have you done? What have you done in the past that can almost prove to people that you know what you're talking about? Like, this is something you know how to do. You've gotten results for other people. You just need to position yourself and show your authority. And it doesn't have to be long, right? It doesn't need to be like, okay, I went to this school and did this. Just share one thing that you helped someone do just to establish that rapport with someone. Oh, okay, that person was able to do that. I trust their effort. Honestly, the way kind of like neuroscience work, your brain wants to make the quickest decisions, right? We don't want to spend a lot of time overthinking something, so we make shortcut decisions. So if you can showcase your authority, your positioning, how you're the expert in something very quickly, they're gonna make a mental shortcut in their mind. Okay, I trust this person knows what they're talking about. So just share it. The second part that I wanna mention is that I talked about a real common problem. I just talked about some of the common problems that I see a lot of people make and what they express, right? Like in the video I say, creating videos sucks. Like it's overwhelming. You have to muster the courage to create a video. And so those are real problems that people face, and I had to talk about those problems so that people knew, oh yeah, I definitely resonate with that. And the third part is the solution. I had to tell them, okay, well, I know you're dealing with these problems. Here is the solution to your problem. Now, you don't want to just give away the entire solution, because the solution really is your offer, right? Is your product. And so you have to say, hey, the offer that I have is going to be the solution to your problem. So the fourth part is the promise, okay? This is the thing that I feel a lot of people kind of miss out, or they do wrong. And what a lot of people say is, okay, it's got these many lessons in it. It's got this many amounts of minutes or hours of content for you. No one cares about any of those features, any of that, right? People want to know, what are they going to get out of it? What is the promise that you're making? Like if you were to talk to someone, like if you're talking to your kid, right? I promise you, if you do this, you're going to be getting this, right? What's the promise that you're making for your audience? Hey, if you have this problem, if you buy this thing that I have, here is the promise that I'm making. If you do this, you will have the right tools you'll need to create better looking videos, whatever the offer is that you have for your online course or business. And then the fifth one is the invitation. It's just asking for them to buy whatever it is that you have, enroll in whatever it is, but you gotta make the invitation. A lot of people are kind of shy around it, and they'll say like, so if this is something that you're interested in, let me know. No, just, you need to invite them in. Big takeaway about the invitation is that you need it to be very clear. What is it that I need to do? Do I need to go to a certain website? Do I need to click a certain button? What is it that I need to do? What should I expect? Make it very clear for them and how to get your offer. That's it. Use those 5 parts, those 5 ingredients to create your profitable video ad. If you want to just test it out as a regular video and post it on social media before you put it out as an ad, then go ahead and do that. But if you follow these 5 ingredients, your videos are going to be put to the next level, and you're going to be making sales for your online course and your program. So if you have any questions whatsoever, then go ahead and drop me a comment below, or you can DM me on Instagram. I am in there responding to people. So if you have a question about this video ad or anything about it, go ahead and feel free to ask me or drop a comment below. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, give it a big thumbs up so you see more content like this that is more helpful for you as an online entrepreneur as you level up your business with better looking videos. So again, if you want to know how to attract the right clients with better looking videos without spending hours making it, then make sure you go ahead and click the link below in the description. It's a free masterclass, 100% free, and it's there for you to level up your entire videos. So go ahead and check it out. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get a lot of value out of that masterclass, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. All right, see you later.